HowExpert Guide to Jewelry Collecting is a step-by-step guide for anyone ready to explore the rich world of antique, vintage, and modern jewelry. Whether you're just beginning or looking to deepen your expertise, this comprehensive guide offers clear direction and practical tools to help you collect with confidence, purpose, and enjoyment. Built around the proven 36-day jewelry guide system, it breaks down essential knowledge into simple daily lessons you can apply right away. Over the course of 36 step-by-step days, you'll gain the insight and structure to make informed choices, recognize valuable pieces, avoid costly mistakes, and care for your collection with confidence. Each chapter helps you sharpen your eye and grow a meaningful collection rooted in personal interest and long-term appreciation. This guide supports collectors at every level and offers a foundation you can build on for years to come. Introduction. What makes jewelry collecting meaningful and how the 36-day plan works. Chapter 1. Jewelry Collecting Basics, Days. 1-3. Understand types, categories, and how to start with the right mindset. Chapter 2. Exploring eras and styles, Days. 4-6. Identify key design periods and visual characteristics of collectible jewelry. Chapter 3. What distinguishes quality, Days. 7-9. Spot fine craftsmanship, unique features, and signs of value. Chapter 4. Examining authenticity and worth, Days 10-12. Learn how to verify real pieces and assess market value. Chapter 5. Learning about stones and metals, Days 13-15. Discover what affects the beauty, rarity, and price of gems and metals. Chapter 6. Researching makers and origins, Days 16-18. Decode stamps, brands, and hallmarks to uncover each piece's story. Chapter 7. Why, your goals and collector identity, Days 19-21. Define your niche, clarify your purpose, and set realistic goals. Chapter 8. Getting pieces, graded and documented, Days 20-24. Learn how to appraise, catalog, and ensure your collection. Chapter 9. Understanding jewelry care, Days 25-27. Master safe cleaning, storage, and maintenance practices. Chapter 10. Investigating scams and fakes, Days 28-30. Protect yourself with real-world strategies for buying safely. Chapter 11. Displaying and managing your collection, Days 31-33. Organize and present your jewelry with pride and security. Chapter 12. Expanding into sales and strategy, Days 34-36. Explore trading, selling, or investing as your collection evolves. Conclusion: reflect on your progress and carry the jewelry guide system forward confidently. Appendices includes glossary, trusted resources, expert tips, and quick reference tools for ongoing success. HowExpert Guide to Jewelry Collecting is more than a guide. It's an invitation to explore beauty, history, and craftsmanship with clarity and purpose. Whether you're collecting to enjoy, preserve, or pass on, this book gives you the structure, insight, and confidence to make every piece count. It's the perfect starting point for anyone interested in the world of jewelry collecting and what it truly means to be a collector. Follow the 36-day jewelry guide system to build a meaningful collection that reflects your taste, values, and goals. Whether you're drawn to vintage treasures, designer pieces, or rare gems, each day brings you closer to becoming the collector you're meant to be. Embrace the process, trust your eye, and start your jewelry collecting journey today. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.